day of ENGIMACH 2023, and here we are in the Valgro Private Limited company. We will talk to the general manager and sales manager of this company. Machine Maker welcomes you, ma'am. Welcomes you, sir.
Thank you.
So, can you please introduce about the Valgro India Limited?
Valgro India is leading manufacturing of surface preparations machinery for deburring, finishing, polishing, degreasing line. So we are happy to join with you. Thank you.
So, how this company established, and how it attracted the customers, and what type of products do you sell?
See, we are coming since last 10 to 15 years for this exhibition and all over the India as well as out of country also. So हमारा एक मोटिव रहता है कि एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे ना ही ओनली कस्टमर्स बट वेंडर को भी एक मीट होना चाहिए ताकि वेल्ग्रो की कैपेबिलिटी सबको पता चले. So this is the right platform to meet the customers, vendors as well as service providers. So we are happy to participate in this exhibition.
Yes, so ENGIMACH is a good opportunity and good platform for the Valgro Private Limited. Come up and attract with the customers and interact with the customers and
Yes,
vendors.
yeah.
Thank you so much for your time.